Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Abdul Kadir and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we will build this modern animated card hover effect using HTML and CSS. So to follow this tutorial you need to download the starter files, the link in the description. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you will never miss any future video. This project is completely responsive, so without wasting time, let's start our video. So you need to first create the index.html file, then the boilerplate, give it a title, CSS Card Hover Effect, write modern because it is modern, and now we link our CSS file style.css. So create this style.css. Now we'll open with live server, so you can see the output here. Now create a div and give it a class wrapper, then create another div with a class is equal to card, and inside this card div we have two div which is front and right. So for the front a web solutions, and for the right web solutions then we have some list, and we have a button add to cart. So below the card we will create another div and give it a class image dash wrapper and image tag.png, which is this one. So HTML part is done now. Now we need to style this. So this is for the font that we will use, and let's start before after and block sizing border box and RGBA, then outline 1 pixel, solid transparent. Then for the body we need to display flex with 100 viewport width and height 100 viewport height, flex direction, line items and justify content, margin 0, padding 0, overflow hidden, then background image which is linear gradient minus 55 degree, and RGBA 0% and RGBA 19, so 100%. Now for the text for color, then font, and now for the font weight 300. Then for the animation fade in, which you'll see later. Then so for body now we need to target the wrapper class, which is this one wrapper. So wrapper with 280 pixel, height 480 and perspective 800, position relative. And for now for the card, which is this one, and dot card with 320 pixel, height 480 50 sorry, and position relative, transform style, and then transition, cursor pointer. So now for the div, let's target the div, dot card div and position absolute with padding. Then we have a transition. We need to target the front, which is this div. So dot front, background image, linear gradient and RGBA. Then we need to transform rotate Y and translate Z 160 pixel, and for the border areas after that we need to RGBA and now target the right side so it will look clear. So dot right, background image, and above is 180 0 degree, then opacity 0.8 and transform rotate Y, which is 90 degree, and translate. So border radius. And now for the hover effect, let's do for the hover effect, transform translate C minus 160 pixel and rotate Y minus 90 degree. Then for the front, and we need to opacity 0. Now for the right we need to set back opacity to 1, so it will give you this effect. Now we need to target the H2, which is a margin 0 and font size 380 pixel, then font family, font weight font size 21 pixel, transform, translate x minus 34 pixel, and for the paragraph, let's do some margin 0, font width 300, font size, span tag, which is this one, span, and margin left 13 pixel, opacity 0.55. We need to target the image, which is this one. So transform origin, then transition, after that transition delay 100 millisecond, then transform, and pointer reverse none. So let's target the image dash wrapper, then animation, float for second. After that we need to position absolute, top 0, right 0, pointer revert none, backface visibility hidden. So now we need to animate this big, so keyframe float 0%, transform translate 320 pixel, and 100% for transform translate y minus 21 pixel, and translate x minus 13 pixel, and translate the 30 pixel. So now our image is animated now. So we need to rotate the picture when we hover, so card hover image wrapper image, then transform, scale 0.9, and translate x 77, translate y 90%, and rotate the 80 degree. So now our picture is rotate when we hover on the card. Now for the list, which is this one, UL tag, so margin left, padding 0, font size 16, font width 300, and only style none. Now for the list, padding bottom 8 pixel. Now for like before, and content text, so then position absolute, left minus 21 pixel, and opacity 0.55. So we need to style the button, so position absolute, right 21 pixel, bottom 34 pixel, border none, block shadow none, and background none. Then for color inherit, font family, font weight 300, font size, then letter spacing, font weight, padding, then border radius, and background image linear gradient 130 should be it. So slope that. Now for background size, background position, and cursor pointer. So shadow from scale view 13 degree, and transition, and transform origin right bottom. So card hover button, transform scale, and card not hover, opacity 0. Then for each button hover, background position left, and so for the price, which is this one, so position absolute, bottom 34 pixel, left 21, font size and opacity, and keyframe fade in 0%, and transform scale. So our project is ready almost. So to make it responsive, we need to write the media query, media on the screen, and body, transform scale 0.67. So our card is ready now, and I hope this video is beneficial for you and you subscribe my channel. So that's it for this video. See you next time.